Okay, Johnathan Bakalchuk. So this is what happens when you start conceding draws, and you get paired up. Playing somebody with... So, you got f4. Oh, that's a weird move order. I guess I'll just play Leningrad style. At least now I get e4. Like if I get e5, I'm just better. So I guess e5 is a move, but it looks a bit dicey. Yeah, this I think is not great. I feel like I've had this before. I mean, knight d4 is not really happening. This bishop is blocked in. My bishop is very strong now. So bishop e3 prevents knight d4 and threatens this pawn as well. And I think the position is very unpleasant. I get rook d7. Yeah, this is probably his best chance. Like I got this followed by knight d5, but he sidesteps the king and doesn't quite lose immediately. This is a bit disappointing. What kind of ideas did I have to try and win faster? I cannot see anything, so guess I'll just take. I think rook e6 is, yeah. That's a bit annoying. I kind of underestimated that at first. I was just thinking of king h8. And king h8, then I take with a rook on e7. Now it's... I think... I mean, I'm much better, but it's not super trivial. Knight e7, king h8, and my pieces are a little bit stuck, so... I guess I'll take this way instead. Now at least he gets some decent squares for his pieces. I'm seeing some, yeah, that doesn't work. I was seeing some nice ideas, but doesn't quite work. I guess I'll just prosaically protect the pawn then. What do I actually do against h6, h4, rook f5? It's the kind of thing that I feel like I should be able to solve, but at the moment I cannot quite see it. I can give a rook e1, but that's a bit passive. So this is kind of what I was hoping for a little bit. I'm gonna go c4. This is rook d1 when rook d6 check. King takes. Oh, there's bishop h6. Oh, okay. Let's go c4. Yeah, I anticipated that. I thought rook f1 would be strong, but maybe it's not. Let's go rook e1 then. You know, you always want to give your opponent the chance to self-mate. Not always, but sometimes. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Guess I'll go into tactics. Guess not. This game has turned out a lot. Okay, so I talked about self-made earlier, and lo and behold, he actually jumps into one.